My Services is a place on Eldertree where you can add in any home service providers that you have. You can then put appointments on your calendar so that you get reminders, and then over time you can track your satisfaction with a particular provider. So let's go take a look. The first thing you'll want to do is add a new service. And you just need to enter in a title. Let's say it's the house cleaners. And you could add a description and then just some details about the business. Maybe you want to put in the address or phone number. And when you're happy with what you've put, save information. And then that service information has been saved. So now you have the option to add an appointment. So in this page, you're going to add in the details of the appointment. So the first thing is it all day, yes or no? We're going to leave it as no. The date of the appointment. Here, just click there, it brings up the calendar, and then you can just choose what day the appointment is for. And then for the time, you can use the plus and minus buttons to get it to the appropriate time. We'll just say it's 2 to 4. And then down here, if it were repeating daily, weekly, or monthly, you could indicate that as well. We'll just leave it as once for this example. So when everything is correct, you can go ahead and save the appointment. And now that appointment information has been saved. And you can see over here, it kind of gives you a summary of what you've entered. If you want to make any changes, you can edit it as well. So now what will happen is on December 10th, which is what we chose as our appointment day, on your home page there will be a reminder in this area saying that you have an appointment today. So it lets you know, and then after 4 o'clock p.m. that day, which was the end time of the appointment that we set, you'll get a short little survey that's going to ask you 2 questions about did they show up on time and how satisfied you were with the service. And you can choose to complete that, and then over time, if you wanted to just kind of see how satisfied you were with a particular provider, you can kind of look at your answers over time. And that is a snapshot of My Services. We are hoping that it will be a useful tool to help you keep track of any appointments for service providers that come into your home, and also allow you to track your satisfaction over time with those providers.